Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a compact but surprisingly powerful handheld cleaner built for tight spaces, the Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum. This is Dyson's idea of a grab-and-go cleaning tool for situations where a full-size vacuum is just too bulky. Think car interiors, sofas, stairs, boat cabins, keyboards, and other hard-to-reach areas. It's designed for precision cleaning rather than whole home coverage. Despite its small size, it still delivers up to 115 air watts of suction power. That's strong for a handheld vacuum and enough to lift embedded dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from fabric and tight crevices. It's especially useful for detailing car interiors where dirt tends to settle deep into seats and floor mats. The vacuum is cordless and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around without fatigue. You can quickly switch between surfaces without dragging a cord or dealing with heavy equipment. This makes it practical for fast cleanups as well as detailed cleaning sessions. It comes with two power modes. Eco mode is designed for longer runtime and everyday messes, while boost mode gives you maximum suction when dealing with stubborn dirt or heavier debris. Depending on usage, you can get up to 50 minutes of runtime, which is quite solid for a handheld device in this category. One of the biggest strengths of this model is versatility. It easily transitions between cleaning hard surfaces and upholstery. Whether it's car seats, dashboard corners, couch cushions, or boat interiors, the attachments help reach tight and awkward spaces where dust usually builds up. The filtration system is fully sealed, helping trap fine dust and particles instead of releasing them back into the air. This is especially useful when cleaning enclosed spaces like cars, where air quality can quickly be affected by disturbed dust. Design-wise, it feels very ergonomic. The grip is balanced, and the attachments click on easily, making quick switching between tasks simple. It's clearly built for convenience and speed rather than heavy-duty whole house cleaning. Overall, the Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum is ideal for people who want a portable, powerful cleaning tool specifically for vehicles and tight indoor spaces. It won't replace a full vacuum, but it excels at detailed cleaning where precision matters most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more tech and cleaning gear reviews, and check the link below to get the Dyson Car+Boat Handheld Vacuum on Amazon today.